Exercise 4K. This is the last exercise of our chapter 4. So these questions are very easy. By substitution method, you can find the unknown values. For example, in question number 3, given that a into the square root of ab square minus b equals to 5k, finds the values of k when a equals to 3, b equals to 6 and c equals to 20. Here we have to find the value of k, and a, b, c, these values are given. Okay, sorry, in this question it is c. This is the mistake in the question. ab square minus c equals to 5k. Okay, now first of all we have to put all the values which are given in the question. So a equals to 3. After putting the values, it will become 3, b equals to 6 and c equals to 20. So after simplification, it will become 3, 6 square equals to 36, 20 as it is, 5k. So 36 minus 20 equals to 16, 3 square root of 16 equals to 5k. And then, as you know that square root of 16 equals to plus minus 4, and you will multiply 3 with plus minus 4 and here 5 with k. It is 5k actually. Here we have multiplication sign, but you have to find the value of k, so you will take 5 on the other side. When you will take 5 on the other side, you will divide. It means 3 into 4 over 5. Now after multiplication of 3 with 4, it is equals to 12 over 5. If you are confusing with these signs, you can raise these signs. You can simply write 3 into 4 over 5, which is equals to 12 over 5, and in the last step you can write plus minus sign, because here we have square root symbol. In the square root symbol, always you will give your answer with plus minus sign. Okay, so you can write plus minus sign in your answer only. So your answer is 12 over 5 with plus minus sign, and after changing into the mixed fraction, it will become plus minus 2 whole 2 by 5. Now the next question is, next part is b equals to a into b square minus c equals to 5k. Again you will put the values, but here you have to find c. So after putting all the values, it will become this: 4 7 square minus c equals to 5 into 11, which is equal to 55. Here 7 square equals to here 4 is the extra term here. So in the first step you can take 4 on the other side, so it will become 7 square minus c, square root of 7 square minus c equals to 55 over 4. Now you want to remove this symbol because you have to find the value of c. For finding the value of c, you will remove this symbol. For removing this symbol, you will take the square of both sides. Now when you will take the square of both sides, it will become 49 minus c equals to 55 over 4 whole square. Here also, in this term also, you will take the square. Okay, here is some problem due to which I can't take the square here, but in the next step you can see here I'm taking the square. So 49 minus c equals to 55 over 4 whole square. Okay, here also you will write square term here. Otherwise you can write in this way also. There is some problem, I can't take the square here. So After taking the square, it will become 49 minus c equals to 55 over 4 whole square. Okay, 55 over 4 whole square means 55 over 4 into 55 over 4. Then when you will multiply 55 with 55, it will become 3025 over 16, and you will multiply 4 with 4 also. Now you have to find c, so you will take c on the other side and 3025 on this side. It will become 49 minus 3025 over 16. Now LCM is 16, so you will multiply and divide here with 16, and it will become 784 minus 3035 over 16. Now after subtraction, it will become this one, and you will change into the mixed fraction. Now question number 6. Given that m into nx minus y square over p equals to 3n, where all these values are given and you have to find p. So you will put all the values in the given expression. After putting all the values here, you have to find p. It will become 5 into 28 minus 4. Here minus 2 whole square equals to 4. So you can write 28 minus 4 here. So after simplification, it will become 5 into 28 minus 4 over p equals to 21, because minus 2 whole square equals to 4 here. Now this step is the extra step. We can raise this from here. Now 5 into 24, because 28 minus 4 is 24, over p as it is, and equals to 21. Now in the next step, you can write 21 over 1, and then 21p. After cross multiplication, it will become 21p equals to 120, and then p equals to 120 over 21, and then p equals to this one, 5 whole 5 by 7. That's it. Now C part. Again the same expression is given, but here you have to find the value of n. So by putting all these values in the equation, it will become this one. So 3 square, as you know that it is equals to 9. So here again we have single denominator, so after cross multiplication it will become this, and then after expansion you will multiply 14 with 2n minus 9 and 3n with 9. It will become 27n, and 14 into 2 is 28n, and 14 into 9 is 126. Then you will combine all the n terms on one side and 126 on the other side. So n equals to 126 here. This is your answer. In D part, again you have to find the value of y here. So you will put all the values which are given in the question. So after putting these values, it will become this one. Now 3 4s are 12 here, and 4 into 42 is 168, 5 as it is, and y square as it is, and 15 as it is. Then in both sides, you can see here in the denominator we have single denominator term, so you can cross multiply. So 1 multiply by 168 minus y square, and 3 multiply with 12, it will give 36 on the right hand side. Then you will combine all the constant terms on one side. Then the equation will become y square equals to 168 minus 36, so it is equals to 132. But you have to find y, so you will take the square root of both sides. So y equals to plus minus 130, square root of 132. That's it. And then the next question you can easily solve by the same way. You will put the values, and all the extra terms you can take on the other side, and you can find the required values. Thanks.